Good boy. Oh. Good boy. Good boy. He's pretty good, huh? Okay. Let's watch some magic happen. Alright. Get the bird, get the bird. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
He's like licking good.
It's better than the other dogs, though, you know? The other dogs were kind of scared.
Well, he's trying to figure out where to get it because it's so big he can't figure out where to pick it up.
This is terrible. Good boy. Get ahead. Good boy.
Well, you got 3 candidates for this.
You could have put the smaller bird in, then you would have had an easier time grabbing it.
Oh, I want to discombobulate the other bird.
Good boy.
You want to trade birds?
Try put another dog in. See how.
Well, one of the
response.
other 5 that are watching.
Go. Good boy. Good
I'm
boy.
waiting for the pigeon to learn.
Good
that
boy.
and get
Good
out.
boy. Come. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Close the door.
I'm happy. Good boy. Good boy. You get a treat? Oh, here, I'll just give him.
He's eating the. He's trying to.
Good boy. Good boy.
If I develop acid powers
Good
from my
boy.
mouth.
My saliva!
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Which one should go in?
I don't know which one you want.
I'm a wedgie.
I don't know. I'm happy already.
Well, that's good. You want to be happy.
Here, Miss B. Miss B.
No, you're not allowed.
Miss B, she's not a good. Look, he wants to go back.
Yeah! I get to go back in! Yes?
See? There's a big difference. Look at her. I mean,
Grab the tail.
she's actually not bad. But he's still.
Well, the boys are more aggressive normally.
What?
But my one of the guys I know, he has a short hair. His short hair is champion at killing doves. But when she goes in the field, she doesn't hunt. So he said it'd be so funny if I got a good dove killer. We're not a hunter. Come. I target.
Just keep setting up the traps.
Hey, here, you want some?
Oh, you want to change dogs?
No, I'll take Hermes.
Yeah, shut up.
Yeah, good girl. She got it. Good girl. Good girl.
Uh-oh, someone's stuck.
Yeah, under the bookshelf.
No!
And one on the other side. It's under the bookshelf.
Oh, she got it.
Oh, good girl. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl. Wait.
Come here. Side.
Good girl.
What a good girl.
Good girl.
Oh,
Good
she
girl.
got it! She didn't let go!
Good girl. Okay,
Oh,
let go.
That poor pigeon.
Let-
You guys are torturing this pigeon, you know?
Okay, wait. Try to get the birds out. Good girl.
The bird or the dogs?
The dogs. Sorry.
Smelling.
Good girl.
Smelling. Come.
Good girl.
Oy. Grab your boy. Pippin, come out.
Come on. I don't know if I want to name him Pippen or Piper. I kind of like Pippen though.
You can call him Scooby-Doo.